Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm here to showcase what is likely to be the last coffee we release for the year. It comes to us from Habtamu Fikadu Aga in Ethiopia. I know I probably butchered that name. I gave it my best chance. This 105-hectare farm, which is in the Guji region, kind of near the Chelchele washing station, is located at 2,000 meters above sea level, giving the coffee tons of time to mature, tons of amazing complexity, and great acidity. We get flavors like grape, a really nice citrus kind of sweetness, and then a finish like oolong tea. Today I chose to brew it on the Origami using the flat bottom Kalita filters. The flat bottom filters are going to give us nice sweetness, nice body, while the fast flow rate of the Origami is going to highlight that complexity, letting us taste all the layers this coffee has to offer. To start, I'm using 17 grams of coffee ground medium fine. I'm going to use 280 grams of water at about 97 degrees Celsius. For our first pour, we'll start the timer and we'll pour in 50 grams of water. That's going to give us a nice bloom. After 45 seconds, we're going to do our second pour, this time bringing us up to 120 grams of liquid. At 1 minute and 20 seconds, we're going to do our final pour, bringing us up to 280 grams total. Make sure to give it a little swirl after you're done and then let it draw down. Should finish in about 2:30 to 3 minutes, and it will be super delicious. We just released this coffee, so if you want to try it, you can check it out online or in our cafe.